That's what I'm saying, okay? If they're gonna raise chimpanzees like kids anyway, they should just be able to adopt them so they can write them off their taxes.
Absolutely, man. I totally see what you're saying.
Yeah. So did Jake live close?
Yeah, he lives right down there.
Okay.
Oh, sweet! Look at this!
Awesome!
Oh, sweet! They left the keys in!
Dude, turn it on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, what did you do? Oh God, I pressed the red button! You pressed the red button! I pressed the red button! Oh, you never press the red button! Then I want to do something bad!
Call 911!
Okay, I'm gonna call 911.
No!
What's the number for 911?
What's the number for 911?
Oh, God! I don't know, I've never had to call it before.
Neither have I!
Call Ian! Call Ian!
Okay,
Call
I'm gonna call Ian! I'm gonna call Ian!
Oh my God! Oh God, he's dying! He's dying! Oh God, he's dying! He's dying!
What?
Ian!
What do you want?
John crushed man with the tractor, now he's dying, what do we do?
Okay, Jake. Listen to me. I need you to calm down right now. Hang up. Call 911.
Okay, yeah, we got that far, but how do we call 911?
What?
What's the number for 911?
Is this a prank call?
What did he say? He said to call 911, but I don't think he knows it either.
What?
I am freaking out right now.
Oh God!
Oh God, oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Okay, there's no other choice. We've got to cut it off.
Wait, what?
No. Come on! No!
Alright, so can I play now?
No.
Why not?
Because it's Ben's turn.
Ben has one arm.
Yeah, because you chopped it off.
He can't even aim properly. He can't even like walk in a straight line or look around. He can't do anything. He's completely incapable.
Johnny, stop making fun of Ben. He's a cripple.
I'm not a cripple.
You are kind of a cripple.
He hit me in the face with his